Good morning, everybody. It's 6:40. We're down here in Caldwell, Idaho. Made it to the shop last night. Got the truck all fired up. We get ready to pull it around into the shop. So, just got to get some new drive tires on it, and yeah, just have it looked over, I guess. So, nothing major wrong with it, but we'll get after it. Then we get a nice long full day going to Hotchkiss, Colorado. So let's get after it. Alrighty, we're all done in the shop. I'm going to run over and get this thing washed real quick. Hopefully it doesn't take forever. So our drive tires didn't show up in time, so we didn't get those replaced. That'll be a next week thing, I guess. So alrighty, where we're here at Express Pressure Washing in Nampa, off the north side exit. Get this disgusting truck all washed up. Hopefully it looks better. It can only look better, right? Unless they sandblast it. But anyways. Alright, we got all scrubbed up. Looks better than it did, so that's a plus. Got the old Donkmobile in front of us. Look at that thing. Damn, boy. Ignorant people. Anyways, we're gonna go get us some dieselina, some old diesel, then we can get on the road. Hey, there's a truck stop over there at Northside Boulevard. If you go around, there's a truck wash. And you can fucking wash your shit there.
I'm not washing my shit.
You're just spraying the fucking front off. Alrighty, now that I helped out my fellow brother over here by yelling at a guy to get the fuck out of the way. Anyways, these fools just want to sit around and and take their sweet time at the fuel island. And they think it's perfectly okay until somebody comes and checks them. So then they get all defensive. I'm not washing my truck. I just watched you spray the entire front of your truck off with the hose. So don't tell me you're not washing your truck in the fucking assholes. Somehow I'm considered being an asshole, right? Maybe I go about it the wrong way. But alrighty, I had to advance the truck a little bit, get her pulled up. Didn't realize that this side was so far in front. So carefully maneuver it. Still not gonna reach. Damn it. All right, we got her in there. She's snug. Look at it. But I didn't want to end up ripping that one off, so anywho. They get that under control pretty quick. That looks like it could be could get out of hand pretty quick. What a crazy sunset. fires are crazy, man. All that smoke in there. Anyways, about ready to get on the old freeway down here at I-70. Start making our way into Colorado. Got about 2.5 hours to go. Unfortunately, due to traffic and that type of stuff, we're not going to be able to make it all the way there tonight. We'll be shy by about a half hour or so. So we'll be looking for somewhere to stop here soon. Good thing I got the old trucker path. Makes it very convenient to find where I need to, where to park or whatever. Anywho, we'll just keep on click-clacking down the road. Alright. Alrighty, so made it over here into Colorado. We're at exit 11. Gotta kind of get off and go around. Did a whole 666 miles today. I don't like that number, but it's just a number. So, anyways, we got about an hour and a half to go in the morning, and then get these apples unloaded. Once again, I just appreciate everybody watching these videos. It means a lot to me, and I hope you guys have a good night. Be safe, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.